Hello, this is Susan Fouché with Voices for Learning, where we help you grow as a voice actor. Happy Fiverr Friday! In this Fiverr video, I am going to show you how to change up your PDFs, why that's important, how to do it, and how I am changing some stuff around, and you may want to do the same thing. So here we go. So let me first show you exactly what my PDFs right now look like. I have brand new PDFs, but I want to show you what my current PDFs look like. So I'm just going to click on my main gig, my #1 primo bestseller, and I just scroll over, go over, go over, go over, and here is my PDF. The only thing about this, I mean, I love it. I think it's great to have a PDF. I think it's really, really, really important to kind of showcase what you can do and what your clients can expect and stuff like that. The only thing about this that I don't like is that you actually have to click on it. The buyer has to click on it to see the whole thing because it's like a full page PDF. It's like an 8x11 PDF. So it's got all this stuff on it. It's really awesome. It's wonderful. But again, they have to click on it and scroll down to see it. So what I'm going to do is switch to a PDF that is the size of my other pictures so that they don't have to, when the buyer is looking at me, when they're perusing my profile, they don't have to actually like click on anything. They can just keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, and there it all is. They don't have to do anything. So that's why I am changing it out. To change it out, you just simply click on your edit gig up in the upper right-hand corner. And the PDFs are located in your gallery along with your thumbnails and your audio files. So just go to gallery up here in the top. And you're just going to scroll down, scroll, and here you can have up to 2 documents. They have to be PDFs only. To switch them out, you're just going to click on the little trash can icon to delete what you have. Yep, delete it. Delete again. And then you can see right here, all I have to do is just drag and drop a PDF, or I can click on browse and I can actually go into my computer and get those up. So I'm just going to drag and drop. And I am going to put my first PDF up here in the top. And there it is. And my second PDF down here on the bottom. And there it is. And then what I'm going to do is just save it. And then I'll go ahead and click on Save and Preview up here in the upper right-hand corner. All right, so I'll show you what these look like, and I am pretty happy with them. I think they look really, really good. All right, so my last PDF, as you saw, it was a big old long 8x11 document. I smushed it down, condensed it into just my guarantee so that they can quickly just read over it, because I don't know if they really care what kind of equipment that I have. They can listen to my samples and hear that I'm pretty good. And then I've also got a way to order, which I didn't have before. Before, my PDF was like, here's my clients. But now, you know, since Fiverr is actually like showcasing the clients up at the top, you know, the top clients, I kind of don't really necessarily need to do that. So I am just going to try this. Ordering is easy. You know, you can read it, how this works, whatever. And I'll let you know how this goes. We'll see if there's an uptick in sales, which was what I'm hoping, or at least, you know, for it to not go down in sales because of this. But I think it'll improve, and I think it'll just make it easier for my clients. That is the main thing. We want to convert the people who are just looking at us into buyers. So hopefully that is what's going to happen. Reach out to me if you have any questions. And that is it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video to be valuable, give me a thumbs up and be sure and subscribe so you can watch all my other amazing Fiverr videos. And for more, you can check out the playlist right over here. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.